Promise, give me more cobblestone.
I don't have any cobblestone. What?
I want more cobblestone.
I don't have any more cobblestone.
I don't go get myself, jerk.
I'm a jerk.
Ouch.
You're a jerk.
I'm also gonna have to make another pick.
Oh, I have a pick, huh? You don't even have a pick.
Shut up.
Welcome back, guys, to episode 7.
Anyone need a stack of cob bale?
Yes.
I do.
Well,
Yes,
technically
please.
it's episode 2, because on my channel it's episode 2. If you want to watch the first
It's also episode
5
2 on my
episodes,
channel.
Look on his channel.
Yeah,
It's
because
episode
we
0 on my
separated.
channel.
We recently separated channels, not because we don't like each other.
It's because we just really don't like each other.
Yeah. What just happened?
What?
I'm lagging so hard because I just put 4 diamonds in there and they didn't show up.
Ooh.
Oh, there they are. Oh, thank
phew.
God.
Yeah, he just voted.
Glitch in the system. I'm not recording this episode because I'm probably gonna leave like halfway through it. I don't know. Unless he records nonstop.
I'm probably going to not record while I'm getting cobble, which is right now, so I'll be back when I have a stack. Whee!
See how fast I go? Because I look at this. This.
Oh, does Ever not know the thing of running under the tree?
You have to run on the tree and jump, and you glitch
Go
fast.
really fast.
Yeah, it's like getting a speed potion.
Huh?
Oh
Did you just fall?
no! No,
Wait, where's the bucket?
I didn't have it. Don't worry. I don't have any stuff on me.
Where is the
Who
bucket?
has...
I'm gonna check the chest.
I didn't have the bucket.
Buckets in here. Buckets
Curse
in here.
you,
Oh,
Pikachu.
okay.
All right. I'll see you guys. I don't know. Maybe you guys join me. I'm gonna go play some SMP. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Just left halfway through the episode. What a guy.
What a guy.
What a guy. It's a pretty awesome guy, though. I'm a genius, Everett.
Ow.
I found a way with our Pikachu problem about how we couldn't get past that a certain point.
Ow.
I'm gonna put one side.
Promise. I need water.
Another sign. And then, yeah. Why do I have these other signs? I'm just putting signs everywhere.
Okay. But Promise, the water will just flow over it then.
No, I won't.
Yep, yes it will.
No, I won't.
Yes it will.
Shut up. You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
There.
That doesn't look like it'll help. I'm gonna go get the bucket.
Okay, you do this one.
Promise!
Sorry,
Hey!
accident.
I almost died.
I'm sorry.
Trying
Wait,
to kill me.
I have an idea.
Okay, what's your idea?
Okay, remember how if you enter after sunrise, you will be executed?
Yeah?
Well, you can just make them come here and then execute them here.
Why?
To execute them.
I just forgot what I came back here for. Oh yeah, the bucket.
What?
Never mind.
You can make like an execution podium.
Yeah, it's too much work. Just gonna grab the bucket.
Wait, we have enough iron to craft the bucket?
No. Because we used some of it to make shears. Dummy.
Well, we have a ton of leaves now, which is helpful. Can I have the bucket?
Yeah. And, okay,
Give me the bucket, give me the bucket, give me the bucket, give me
No.
the bucket, give me
No,
the
it's my
bucket, give me the
bucket.
bucket. I will
Stop.
kill you.
Stop!
Give me the bucket. There's no way you're getting past this. Oh my god, no! Give me the bucket. We can have this fight now.
Okay. Go have this fight then.
Coward.
Come at me, bro.
What's do this in the proper execution fighting area.
Oh, stay here.
Charge! 4 Skyblocks. Oh, you cheater! Get back here.
No.
I will hit you off.
No.
You can't win. What? Cheater? Cheater. Everett, I need the bucket of water. You can't come and get more water or else I'll murder you.
Alright, stop saying murderer.
Sorry. Give me the bucket.
Fine, you can have the bucket.
Thank you. Oh, crap. I like playing with the bucket. It's fun. Making water flow.
No, Ramiz! No. Ramiz, look what you did. Look what you did. Look what you did, Ramiz.
Yeah.
Okay. Still need to build out. Still need to build out that way.
So you ready, watch? I'm a genius, Everett.
Oh, okay.
I'm a genius.
Oh, I'm gonna build out this way now.
Okay, you build that way. And I guess you won't have to
1,
be hit off the
2,
edge by me.
3, 4,
What?
5, 6.
No, yeah, I got that right.
1.
If you're asking why I'm putting down wood, these are the spawning platforms.
Yeah, that's where the mobs spawn.
I'm surprised on why none of them are spawning.
Well, because we're up here, and mobs only spawn 24 blocks away.
Should we go down and see if it works?
And let's finish building this first.
Why would we build it if it doesn't work?
Because Ramiz, I know this will work.
If it doesn't work, I blame you.
Look at those 3 islands out in the distance.
What?
Look at those 3 islands out in the distance. So majestic.
Everett, come downstairs.
Just,
I want to see if it works.
let's know that we're just better than them.
I want to see if it works.
Ramiz, can we just finish building this first?
It is a horrible atrocity. It's... Ugh.
Please, Ramiz.
It looks horrible.
Please.
Okay, you finish building. I'll go get more cobblestone. I guess we'll be back when that's done. There.
Okay, Ramiz.
What?
Need more wood.
Yeah, I know.
So take all these logs and turn them into planks.
All of them?
Yes.
Okay.
And we're about to say
last one
down.
of them?
Yep. Got to cut down more trees now, Ramiz.
Okay, let's go cut down them trees, and we'll be back. Everett, block the way in with your flowing lava. You realize that, right? I have to like swim against the current.
Sorry.
How'd you even get the water? I have the water bucket.
What do you mean?
Oh, you just broke. Oh, you broke
Yeah.
the wood. Did you fix it?
Yeah, I fixed it.
So we're probably gonna end off this episode with a test drive, see if it works.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Everett? Are you changing every block of wood?
I'm just the borders.
Okay, good. 'Cause I don't want it to be ugly. How about this part, like the wall?
Yeah, make that a wall.
Make that wood?
Oh, make it a wall.
Out of cobble, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna start building a
second it becomes night.
Or mobs spawn.
I don't want it to become night, Everett.
I was gonna probably build a roof.
Probably should.
So you can ensure darkness. So mobs
Right.
spawn
Until
24/7.
then. So, how about the Mets?
Good Mets.
Good Mets. You see that play?
And that was a good play where they got that guy out with that throw.
No, that was one heck of a throw.
Yeah.
Oh, we got 2 of the pads done. This is a small pad.
Well, we'll expand. Oh, so we're expanding
Oh
it this
no,
way.
hey, this is Pika Chunk's side, that's why.
Yeah.
I'll work on this pad. Swan Everett.
Oh, I'm getting lag right now.
I'm not. Isn't the Swan Everett?
And then holding down ships and risking
2
trigger
friends
my
working
pinky.
together, creating a mob grinder.
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me.
Shut up, no it isn't.
Okay.
Actually no, continue singing, it was nice.
Okay. N is for anywhere and anywhere and all down here in the deep blue sea. F is for fire that burns down the cities. C is for uranium bombs. N is for no survivors. Down here in the deep blue sea.
One heck of a sea,
It's
isn't
big
it?
enough? Yeah. It's big enough? Or
That's
should we
fine.
expand it? Okay. I think that person's doing some work over there. I think they have a carrot farm?
How
It
did they
looks
get
like-
carrots?
I don't know. Hacking.
No, they probably went to the shop.
Yeah, it looks like got carrots.
You can't even see them, so.
What's your render distance at? I think I
I think we're done. With the wood,
Okay.
at least.
went. Let's just build this wall then. I'm
I
gonna
don't
go
have
on
any
top so I
cobble,
can
so-
make the roof. There you go. Go start the roof.
First block of the roof. When's the sun gonna set? I'll be back with when it's night. The beautiful sunset.
I might have to go soon. So
Yeah, I have to go soon too. That's why I'm ending the recording, and I'm recording right now. So,
what? Wait, what song am I gonna sing for sunset?
yeah, what I'm gonna sing for the sunset?
Titanic.
Sure.
All right. That's all I know.
Okay, let's go. See if this works. Oh, please work. I'm just gonna stay
Honestly.
here.
It's crunch time. I have to finish this now.
No, I just want to see it work.
Crunch time.
No, Everett, get back. Everett, get back.
Crunch time.
Everett, I want to know, but if you get close enough, it won't work.
Promise. You want
Let's
to
see if it works.
crunch? Promise. We're not gonna know if it works unless we completely cap it off.
I don't have cobble.
So I have to get rid of that ladder so Mom don't just climb down.
I'm trying to see if mobs would spawn. Well, I guess, Everett, we're gonna just end the episode staring at it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!